Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play with my cousin. Say hi.
Hi.
And I'm gonna give you a house tour of my house. So let's get started. So this is my front yard. I already have this much room. And this is my front yard. I got my bike, my punching bag, my lift weights. I got windows and stuff, and I got this thing for 40 V-Bucks. It makes my door open without me having to pressing it. And this is my dining room. This is my living room. This is my closet. This is my bathroom if someone comes visitors. This is my bathroom. I got a TV. This is my bed. This is like a visitor bed. I got my hot tub, my toilet, I got my sink, my other toilet, my shower. Let's go to my kitchen. This is my kitchen. I got food. I got my door to go in my front yard. I got more stuff over here. And this is the most thing I wasted my money on. My other shower, it's open. And I got all this. And someone's at the door. Yeah, someone's at the door. And let's go to my bedroom, guys. And now let me turn on the light so you guys could see it good. Not that light. Close your eyes. I'm not gonna make you look. This is my other kitchen if I get hungry. This is my speakers. I bought that for V-Bucks. I got an ice cream maker. I got that for V-Bucks too. This is my bed. I could sleep. Let me just quickly sleep so I could get my energy up. And this is like where I make coffee, my timer. I mean, not my timer, but my alarm. And my TV. My place to like sit and relax. And I got my office right here. My office to sit, do work. My other coffee maker. I could play my guitar. Done. I could play my drum. I could play a different one. Dun 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 dun. And for the second one, for the other, I'll be showing you my whole house because my house tour is over. And this is my whole house. This is my side. This is how you get in my kitchen. This is how you get in my office plus bedroom. And this is where I punch my. This is where I lift weights. Oh, I'm so strong. Oh, I'm so strong. Now, my office. You guys already saw it just a minute ago. So, this is going to be the end of my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!